So I remember a transaction that I heard from your business partner that you guys did on wholesale, and I believe it was two fourplexes. I think he called it an eightplex, and then just explained it was two fourplexes that came through your marketing, and then you guys wholesaled it.
Yep.
Do you mind sharing what made you, or makes you in general, decide if you are going to, knowing that you like eightplexes, you know, big assets, what made you decide to wholesale that versus keep that, if you don't mind me asking? Other than the payday.
Yeah, man, that's a really good question, and it actually is a question I ask myself on every contract I get, or every property I put under contract.
Yeah.
At least off-market stuff is, you know, how do you quantify the value of holding a property and actually being an investor versus what the possible monetary upside would be of being a deal engineer.
Yeah.
Right? Because wholesalers, with all due respect, they're not real estate investors.
Sure,
You know, they're deal engineers.
Right.
They don't actually invest. They buy marketing They buy marketing.
Sure.
But they're not investing in the real estate.
Yeah.
And I'm guilty of that as well. I wholesale.
Yeah.
So we, you know, at the time, a lot of it probably had to do with my personal financial situation and some of the goals that I had and trying to grow, and you know, it was a big property at the time in my career. So it seemed like the path of least resistance, and the wholesale fee was attractive.
Yeah.
Seeing what happened with that asset, as always, when you wholesale something, it's like looking back, like, man, I should have kept that.
Yeah.
You know. But yeah, that's a question I always ask myself, and now my formula more or less now is, especially with the way the market and the economy are, where's it located? What's the overall type and asset condition and class?
Yeah.
And is it something that I would be open to owning long term?
Gotcha.
And if that's the case and the numbers are good, I'll hold it.
Got
If
it.
that's not the case, you know, for me, I don't buy anymore. Well, I probably would if it was good enough.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm saying. Just wishy-washy, man.
Yeah.
But for me, like, to hold something really long term, I want them cute, I want them cookie cutter, and I want all the units conforming in the same.
Yeah.
I don't want the 1903 7,000 square foot Victorian home in the Avenues that was chopped up into 15 units. And you know, that's not my asset. There's a lot of guys that really would like that. I would wholesale that.
Gotcha.
I just don't want to own it.
Got
I want really, like, just very formal, laid out properties.
Got it.